Ka National Highway India Development Corporation Limited kalakhot ya katandar Shna no ya Surok Fourlane nadu Umshyrpi chadu Tamabil ha kamang tingka kabajan kot sanspa Klur tingka hawa pentip ya kaniu sumbut mitrang ba ka jala ba prostun tensong luong ba ka jingkhot tenda ya ka ka Surok kalong hakisau benta ha ka ba ka wei ka benta kan kot hadu shispa Hapoh Klur tingka katkum ko jithu jongu ka Surok no Umshyrpi hadu upar silong kan long Fourlane kat ba nangte sha Tamabil pat kan long no tulien la pentip ru bakin Shna no da ka wei ka jingking halor
The National Highway 40, Shillong to Tamabil. I'm happy to inform to all of you that the tender of 4 packages has been invited. 4 packages, tender of 4 packages right now has been invited by the NHIDCL, including the Fourlane from Umshyrpi up to Banyun portion. So I think this is again a good news for the state as a whole, since the Fourlane as well as the widening, converting into 2-lane of Shillong Tamabil is already right now in the stage of finalization of tender. See, the tender was split into 4 packages, and all the 4 packages has been called, and the detailed amount I don't remember exactly, but more than 120 crores each packages. 120 crores each packages. Even the alignment has been finalized. It is upstream, not from the same alignment.